Hosta Old Glory, a shade-loving stunner in my garden. I'm Ferb Vu, and hostas are a passion of mine. They bring a touch of elegance and lushness to any shady corner. Among my favorites is the striking Hosta Old Glory. This vigorous grower boasts stunning variegated foliage, making it a true standout in the shade garden. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What is Hosta Old Glory? Hosta Old Glory is a sport, a natural mutation of the popular Hosta Glory. This means it shares some characteristics with its parent, but boasts unique features as well. Old Glory features heart-shaped leaves with a vibrant golden yellow center, boldly contrasted by a wide, uneven margin of dark green. The result is a stunning foliage display that adds a pop of color to shady areas. How does Old Glory compare to other hostas? Many gardeners appreciate the diversity within the Hosta family. Here's how Old Glory stacks up against some of its cousins. Hosta Glory. As mentioned, Old Glory is a sport of glory. They share the heart-shaped leaf form, but Old Glory boasts a brighter, more prominent golden center and a wider green margin. Hosta Gold Standard. Both Old Glory and Gold Standard feature bright yellow centers. However, Gold Standard has a narrower green margin and a more upright clumping habit. Hosta Francie. This popular hosta offers a similar heart-shaped form with a creamy white center, contrasting beautifully with dark green margins. It's a good choice for those seeking a cooler color palette. How to care for Hosta Old Glory. Planting your Hosta Old Glory is a breeze. Here's what you need to know. Light. While some hostas prefer deep shade, Old Glory thrives in dappled sunlight or high shade. Direct afternoon sun can scorch the leaves. Soil. Moist, well-drained soil rich in organic matter is ideal. Amend clay soil with compost or other organic material for better drainage. Aim for a soil pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Planting. Dig a hole twice the width of the pot and slightly deeper. Gently loosen the roots of your hosta before placing it in the hole. Fill the hole with soil, water well, and add mulch around the base to retain moisture. Watering. Water your Hosta Old Glory regularly, especially during hot, dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Fertilizing. A light feeding in early spring with a balanced fertilizer formulated for perennials is beneficial. How big does Hosta Old Glory get? A mature Hosta Old Glory can reach a height of 24 inches and a spread of 3 feet. Does Hosta Old Glory flower? Yes, it produces light lavender flowers on tall scapes in midsummer. While the foliage is the main attraction, the blooms add a delicate touch. Is Hosta Old Glory deer resistant? The good news is that hostas, including Old Glory, are generally deer resistant. The unappetizing taste deters these browsing animals. Is Hosta Old Glory fast growing? Yes, Old Glory is considered a vigorous grower, forming a sizable clump within a few years. This makes it a great choice for filling in empty spaces in your shade garden. Bringing Hosta Old Glory to your garden. Hosta Old Glory is a low-maintenance beauty that adds a touch of drama to any shade garden. Its vibrant foliage and easygoing nature make it a perfect choice for both experienced and novice gardeners alike. With a little care, this stunning hosta will thrive for years to come, bringing a touch of elegance to your shady haven.